This literally just came out of the truck, and it says Autumn Fry on it, and it's from X Products, so you know it's gonna definitely be something really cool. So let's open it up. Okay, I see a letter from X Products. Let's read it now. Autumn, enjoy your new unicorn can cannon from X Products. KO Customs, you are awesome. Have a blasty blast.
Did you just say unicorn can cannon?
Mm-hmm.
That means it's probably the only one there is.
Probably. Okay.
Ooh, some blanks. You'll need those to shoot it.
Yep. Okay.
There's 100 there. 200.
Okay, and this is...
What's that? Those are
launcher cups.
Launcher cups, so we can fill it with like all kind of weird, stupid stuff.
Yeah, I'm just getting the smallest things out. Oh, little balls. More cups.
Awesome.
Oh, I think I'm getting to the good part. But first, I'm just gonna reach in here for more little. Okay, this is it. Covered in bubble wrap.
There's the can cannon. Let's do some more cutting here.
Okay. Wait, I'm gonna do the rest. Okay. Oh, I see. I can't tell what type of stripes that is. Okay. Hey.
I see zebra stripes.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see it. Hey, Mommy, I can get the rest. Look at that. Oh. Ooh, pretty. And this says, awesome has arrived.
Wow.
The zebra stripes is like a dark purple glitter. Oh my gosh, there's like white paint splatter, a green star. I love this. It's so shimmery and pretty.
Purple dust cover.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, it's not really showing up on video, but those zebra stripes are like, there's depth to them. They're like chameleon purple and blue with glitter.
I love this. We're definitely shooting all of this.
I bet. Yeah, so we got 200 rounds of blanks, a bunch of cups, and some balls to shoot out of it.
Yep, 6 cups, 200 blanks, and 5 balls. This is going to be so fun.
Awesome. Okay, hold it up for a little close-up here.
Oh, there's 2 stickers.
Oh, and there's stickers.
Stickers.
Awesome. So cool.
Let's go put that on your pink lower. That's quite the blunderbuss you've got there.
Yep, definitely. Ooh, I just noticed something. This little, it's the same as the zebra stripes, just a little bit rougher.
Yeah.
Right here.
More glitter.
Yeah. This is definitely gonna be fun. We'll put nails, maybe pumpkin seeds. So cool.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, pumpkin seeds. Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, KO Customs and X Products, for making this for me. And we're gonna have a blast with this. Get it? Blast. Thanks for watching Autumn's Armory, and we'll see you next time.